Creating the perfect ambience with wall lighting. Illuminating a room can be one of the most powerful ways to affect your home's ambiance. As such, choosing the right kind of wall lighting is essential to set the mood and atmosphere in any room. With so many different styles, shapes, and sizes available, it can be difficult to narrow down which type of wall light is best for your space. Let's take a look at some popular options that can help you create the perfect atmosphere in your home. Sconces. Sconces are one of the most classic types of wall lights that remain popular today. Often used as accent lighting in hallways or around mirrors, sconces are commonly seen in traditional-style homes due to their timeless designs. Sconces come in a variety of materials including brass, chrome, glass, and wood, and usually have shades that direct light up or down depending on where they are placed. They are great for providing subtle illumination while still maintaining an elegant aesthetic. Bathroom lights. Bathroom lights are designed specifically for bathrooms and come in several different styles depending on your needs. For instance, if you have a large bathroom, you may opt for multiple ceiling fixtures or pendants to provide additional illumination throughout the space. However, if you have a smaller bathroom, then wall lamps might be a better option since they will fit more easily into tight spaces without taking up too much room. In addition to illuminating your bathroom space, wall lamps also add an extra layer of style, which is always nice. Lights for living rooms. Wall lights for living rooms provide both practicality and aesthetics when it comes to illuminating these large spaces. From recessed spotlights mounted along the walls to floor lamps that can be moved around as needed, there are plenty of options when it comes to finding just the right lighting solution for your living room. When choosing lights for living rooms, it's important to keep in mind how much natural light already exists within the space as well as what type of furniture will be used so that you end up with just enough illumination without being too bright or too dark. No matter what kind of wall lighting you choose for your home, whether it's sconces for your hallway or contemporary spotlights for your living room, having good quality lighting can make all the difference when it comes to creating an inviting atmosphere within any given space. With so many different styles out there, finding just the right type of wall lights shouldn't be too hard. So take some time to explore all the different options available before making any decisions so that you end up with lighting that perfectly suits your needs and tastes. Thanks for watching.